Welcome to the setup guide for the IR/AC controller. We are going to show you how to configure and set up the IR/AC controller. This compact product ensures that there is no electricity waste due to improper use of remote-controlled ACs. You will need a screwdriver and 3 AAA batteries handy for installation. For mounting on glass surfaces, double-sided tape, and for mounting on a wall, 2 screws are provided with the product. To install the batteries, remove the battery cover by pressing and twisting a screwdriver or blunt tool against the slot provided. Make sure the battery polarity is installed correctly. Close the cover. Make sure that the cover is tightened back properly. After placing the batteries, the device will power on. Now, let's set up the device to program the on signal. First, switch off the AC using your AC remote. This will set up the remote to send the on signal while programming. Now, press the red button on the IR/AC controller. 3 LEDs sequentially blink for 1 minute. While the 3 LEDs are blinking, long press the black button on the device until the green LED glows. Release the black button once the green LED starts glowing. On releasing the black button, you notice the green LED blinking. Point the AC remote towards the device and press the on button. If the green LED becomes stable for 2 seconds, it indicates that an on signal has been programmed successfully. Now, we will program the off signal. For this, switch on the AC using your AC remote. This is to set up the remote to send the off signal while programming. Now, press the red button on the device. 3 LEDs will sequentially blink for 1 minute. While the 3 LEDs are blinking, long press the black button on the device until the red LED glows. Release the black button once the red LED starts glowing. After releasing the black button, you will notice that the red LED starts blinking. Point the AC remote towards the device and press the off button. If the red LED becomes stable for 2 seconds, it means that the off signal has been programmed successfully. You can also set up the delay time after which the AC will be switched off by the device. AC switch off delay duration can be set up as per your preference by pressing the black button on the device. For each press, the yellow LED blinks once. After the delay is set, the yellow LED glows momentarily. If you wish to set up the delay time before the AC is switched off to 5 minutes, press the black button 5 times. Similarly, for 2 minutes, press the black button 2 times. The maximum delay time you can set is 10 minutes in multiples of 1 minute for each press. For mounting the device, first choose an ideal wall for mounting the device. For split and window ACs, the ideal wall is the wall opposite AC, and for cassette AC, the ideal wall is the wall closest to the AC sensor. In some cases, the device can be mounted on an adjacent wall in such a way that the AC sensor is in direct line of sight with the device, and the distance between the AC and the device is 15 feet. The ideal height for mounting the device is 5 to 7 feet from the floor. For a glass surface, apply the double-sided tape on the device and mount it on the glass surface. For hard walls, drill 2 holes 40 mm apart on the wall. Insert screws and mount the device. Rotate the top half of the device to have a clear line of sight to the AC sensor for effective control. It can rotate up to 90 degrees on each side. Rotate the bottom half of the device to point towards the seating area. It detects movement up to 15 feet and can easily rotate up to 115 degrees on each side. Device is now ready to use.